Bertoli with 365 things to do in Boulder City. Guess where we're at? Right, Boulder City, Hoover Dam Museum. Going to take a little tour since they recently renovated this location, and it's better than ever.
We had to haul drinking water from the river. Now they had dug a couple of holes a little bit in from the river, and the river would seep through the sand and it would be pretty good. But of course, when people would dip a lot into these wells, it get briny again, so you'd have to let it settle.
When you went down to the top of the hill, down to the river, you could feel the heat. Sometimes you feel like you couldn't get your breath. You had a little card you could do, and you had to put the legs in a little can of water for the hands would beat you to the food. At night it was so hot that you had to flip sheets to be able to rest because you just couldn't sleep. It was so hot. If there was a breeze and you would drive, you would get up and look again and look at the hills.
This place is absolutely amazing. If you haven't been here, you need to come. It's right in the Boulder Dam Hotel, and it's a must-see, and it's free. And the history here is incredible. What these folks went through building this dam, and all the planning and engineering that went into it. I doubt seriously if we could do it today. At least not in the time frame that they did back then, in the middle of the Great Depression. It was absolutely a tough time to be alive, and these people made it and made it work well.
one at a time, down the highway from the plant to the dam site. At the canyon rim, a 150-ton cable weight relieved the trailer of its tremendous burden, swung the pipe sections out over the gorge, and lowered them under absolute control. Trailers waiting at portals of the access tunnels carried them to their permanent connections inside the main tunnels. Pipe sections were hoisted into location with cables and joined end-to-end pressure pins to form continuous conduits between the intake towers, turbines, and outlet valves. While this and other work on the pertinent features was going on, a continuous stream of concrete had been pouring into the dam forms. The structure neared its full height of 726 feet, far above the crest of any other dam yet built by man. On May 29, 1935, 2 years after they had begun pouring, crews placed the last concrete in Hoover Dam, a total of 3¼ million cubic yards. This modern civil engineering wonder stood completed 2½ years ahead of schedule. On September 30th, 1935, President Franklin Delano Roosevelt dedicated Hoover Dam to the nation's progress. He praised its designers and builders.
As I said, this is an amazing museum, and I hope that people get a chance to come if you haven't been here before. Even if you have been here before, there's so many things to review and look over. It is absolutely worth your time to get over here. Again, it's at the Boulder Dam Hotel, and it's right inside the hotel, right near Restaurant 1933. Go up the stairs and down the hallway. So again, I hope you enjoyed this little tour and a little bit of history about the construction of Boulder Dam. Jack Rotoli, 365 Things to Do in Boulder City. Take care, have a great day.